Hey guys, I won't be on cam today, but enjoy the bedroom tour. Okay, so as you walk into the space, this is the first thing that you see. I just have this mosaic wall art that I believe is from Ross, I think, or either Home Goods. I added some greenery and a silver mercury glass vase. I already had those two gray chairs, which are from Home Goods, and then the curtains are all the way at the top. A little sitting area. There's the TV and the new piece. I'll come back to it. I'm just giving you a panorama view. So because I don't like things to look too matchy-matchy, the two nightstands are different, but they're the same scale. Everything else has to be symmetrical. The pillows are all from Home Goods, and two of them are from Target. So that's what the room looks like coming back this way. The piece is mirrored in the front door, and then it's just silver and gold on the top and the sides. So it's very detailed. It's a very heavy piece of furniture. So yellow is my pop of color because it's just a color I can tolerate all year. I'm going to change those pillows out on the little sitting bench to some more fancier pillows. The headboard is from TJ Maxx. My bedding is the classic white comforter at the bottom, and then I have a printed comforter that has some of the yellows and grays in it on the bed. That is one of the headboards that I did raise up. Just kind of showing you. I'm trying to go slow. Again, there's detail on the side of that piece, and in case you're wondering, that's a 75-inch TV. So it actually fit underneath that thing just perfect. I really love my sitting area where I can just sit and drink coffee and look at magazines and whatnot. I can film in here too, probably. I don't know. Those pillows are from Target. That door leads to my closet, and the other door leads to my bathroom. The mosaic picture has a gold and silver in it and a different color metal. So that's what I'm playing off of in here. Silvers and golds. So lots of space still to get through. This room is way bigger than I thought. And I just have a throw at the end where I keep that at. The lamps are from Home Goods. And the same thing is on the other side. Little throw on the chair. I think that table, that gold table right there is from Target. The table in between the chairs right there is from Home Goods. Tried to hang the mirrors to the top of the headboard. Yeah, that gold thing came from Target. And you can take the top off and have storage on it in it. There's a lot of storage inside of this cabinet. It came from a local consignment store. It was brand new. That gold box came from Home Goods. The mirrors came from the at-home store. trimmed, I may move that that piece right there. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.